Hi everyone, this is Anjum Bharadwaj. I'm a senior makeup artist and trainer at Colorbar. And today I'm going to show you how you can color correct your under eyes using a red lipstick. I begin with my red lipstick. This is the Sinfull matte lip color called Damped. I'm just taking little product. I'm just slightly going to take it, warm it, and apply around the area which needs color correction. Dab the product. Now I'm going to use Colorbar's Flawless Full Cover Concealer in the shade 005 Lacy. Cover all the areas that require a little concealing. Now with a damp beauty blender, blend the concealer. I'm going to set my concealer with Colorbar's Sheer Touch Mattifying Loose Powder. The brush that I'm using is 224. It's a blending brush. And lightly just get it around the areas where you applied the concealer. This will ensure the concealer does not move. There you go. That's an easy way to color correct your under eyes using a lipstick. Thanks for watching.